Hey there, English 4B Credit Recovery students. Miss Barnes again. This video is to help you tackle the Rip Van Winkle project. First, remember that the resources button, sorry about that, inside the resources button, there is a folder with very specific tips along with this video. Make sure you check that out if you're still confused. Also, if you need help completing the speaking part inside the How to Succeed in the Course folder, there is a document with lots of options for you. So if you don't have a microphone or recording software, there are other options for you to be successful in that part. Also, if you need help, this communication button or email me, and I would love to get back to you ASAParoni to help you out. All right, but let's go ahead and take a look at the specific parts of the Rip Van Winkle project. It's in the time unit because Rip Van Winkle deals with time. There's a folder that says Rip Van Winkle project links. This is important. Let's open it up. There are 4 parts, just like every other project in this class and for a credit recovery. So let's take a look at the specific parts. Part 1 is listening. There's a worksheet right here, Rip Van Winkle project worksheet number 1. Go ahead and open that, download it to your computer so you can complete that worksheet. There are links that you're going to look at, art links, and you're going to answer some questions about those art links. And there's also an audio link that you'll be listening to and answering a few questions about. All right, so it's all about some art that relates to the Rip Van Winkle project. Say that 5 times fast. Rip Van Winkle, I can't do it. All right, part 2, I'm kind of silly. Part 2 is reading, and this is where you are going to read another story. So you've read Rip Van Winkle as part of this course. There's another another short story that you're going to read to complete part 2. It's called Peter Klaus, the Goat Herd. It's pretty similar to Rip Van Winkle. Just click on this link to download the story. After you complete the story, you're going to complete another worksheet. And basically on this worksheet, you are going to compare and contrast Peter Klaus and Rip Van Winkle. You're going to compare those 2 stories. Again, you're going to save this part because you want to submit all 4 parts at the same time. All right, we're rocking and rolling. Speaking, this is where you make your recording. On this particular recording, you are going to use the Venn diagram that you used in part 2. And you're basically just going to give a little informal presentation. You're going to talk about the similarities. These are the similarities between the story. La 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 la. These are the differences. La la la. All right, and just give a little presentation. The goal, remember, is to hear you speak. That is a standard that we want to ensure that we're addressing. And so you're just going to talk about the details that you put on your Venn diagram. And finally, you got the writing part. This is time to get a little creative. So we've read Rip Van Winkle. We've read a little bit of H.G. Wells, kind of sci-fi. We've read Peter Klaus, the Goat Herd. We've got some stories that are kind of weird time travel stories. So you're going to write a similar story in the present day, and then your Rip, whoever your main character is, it could be you, it could be your best friend, it could be some Johnny Yahoo that you made up in your head. And basically you're going to have this person suddenly appear 20 years from now. How did they get there? Did they go in a spaceship? Did they take a magic pill? Did they walk through it? They chose the door on the left and they magically appeared in this new situation. And you're basically going to write a story. It'll probably be about 2 to 3 pages. You want to try to be descriptive and give some conflicts, give some dialogue. There should be some other characters maybe that your character's talking to, or maybe they talk to themselves. Does the character change? What happens in this new 20-year from now world? Be as creative as you want, but use your own brain and your own creativity. Don't steal a scene from Walking Dead, okay? Use your own brain and come up with a creative story. It's something we did as kids all the time, so tap into that. If you do not know how to start, if you're stuck, again, use that resources button. There's a handout in there that gives you, I think, 10 starter sentences that if you like one of those, use them to start your story and see where it goes. Those are the 4 parts. Once you've got all 4 parts completed, you are ready to submit your work, and I will read your project. This is one of my favorite ones. I love seeing the creative stories students come up with. Remember, if you need help, get stuck, have questions, reach out to me. I'm not scary. I would love to help you. All right, keep working hard and let me know if you need anything.